Hi, and welcome to the weekly watch list. I'm Roy from Norse Effects. Today is Sunday, the 10th of December. Today I have three pairs on my watch list and an update on the dollar Turkish lira trade that I took last week. So let's start off this show with euro against the yen. So I'm still waiting on this short trade. I have been waiting for a few weeks now. I haven't had a trade on this currency pair for a long time. The last trade I had was up in the 134 area in the end of November. So this is what trading is about. So it's hurry up and it's waiting. So hurry up and wait. So right now I only have I have a trendline EA. He is set to sell the upper trend line that you see on the chart. So until that happens, I don't do anything with this pair unless something extreme happens to the downside. But again, if that happens, that will be another analysis. Update on GBP JPY. Last week I had a short trade on this currency pair. I was expecting 147. As you can see here, price, it rallied hard and I only made a minor profit. But when we broke above the previous high, I waited for some confirmation. Then I sold 153.07. So it's the same trade happening again. So I'm just waiting to see if this currency pair has more downside to come. So at least I have 149.80 level as a potential target, but I really want to see 147 get taken out before I do anything. But I have to play it like I see it, but 149.77 is my first objective for this currency pair. A very high probability setup, and this is the kind of setups that I want to wake up for, and this is very good setups. At least to me, this is my number one setup of them all. And you probably have noticed there's kind of a theme to my trading and what types of trades that I like and dislike, and this is the number one. Let's go over to Brent, so the UK oil. Let me just zoom out a bit. This is the daily chart, and I have been sitting on my hands, and I had one trade in the last few weeks. That trade turned into a loser. Right now, I'm waiting to see if price has enough juice to get above 64.61. If price gets up there, and if I get some rejection from that area, believe me, I will sell this commodity, because in the last few weeks on my last analysis, I showed you guys the commitment of traders report on this commodity, and we are now seeing a all-time low in terms of commercial selling and all-time highs in large speculators buying. So I see this as a kind of a perfect storm, and those are the scenarios that I really want. But to be honest, I expected the Brent to really move during the OPEC meeting, but I was wrong, and we still haven't taken out my level of interest. So like the euro yen, this is a game of waiting, because the market is not here to give us money. The market is here to convert money from the impatient to the patient. So I don't mind at all waiting, even if it means me waiting a month or two for the perfect trade to set up. I'm more than willing to, because I am after the easy money in the markets, because I know my limitation and I know what I'm good at. So I just wait for my kind of setups to appear. So I'm not in a rush. The market will be here forever. And let's see. Let's go to the last one. This is just a update. This is the dollar against the Turkish lira. I had an analysis on it last week. Price was hitting a big area of resistance, so the 2016 highs or 2017 highs, and we rejected there 7 daily sessions in a row or something, and then price just started to fall. I'm already in this trade, and I'm looking to add to this trade because I think that price may reach down towards the 3.50 area for this currency pair. And I know there's a lot of news coming in on the 14th, I believe, for the Turkish lira. So the coming week now will become extremely interesting to watch and see what kind of price action unfolds from this. But since price is coming from an area of value, I really think that we will see more downside. But again, that is just my thoughts, and believe me, I am biased when it comes to this pair since I have already went short. So my analysis might not be as objective as it normally would since I already have some skin in the game. So that's it for the weekly watch list. Thank you very much for watching, and hit like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon. Goodbye.